What's up YouTube? In a new video, before we start, don't forget to click on subscribe and like and share this video anywhere. And in this video I'm gonna show you how I made Is It a Crime type beat. And this is an old song of old singer from USA, okay? And I took the song, then I made it to this. Just listen. This is a vocal. I separated the vocal from the music, then did this. Alright. Okay. So yeah, the first thing we did that I told you, I separated the vocal from the music, from the song. After that, I put it right here with some plugins in the mix. This before. After. And I put here equalizer like this and soft tube. C2 is a compressor. Then effect track to put like some reverb or some echo, and vanilla vintage verb, this is for reverb too, and supermassive, this is like a delay. Case cape is here, okay, but here some Nexus and Omnisphere, stuff like this. Yeah, this is a piano, some bad. There's another voice, like another sound, it's a block. And this is another one, like another pattern of the piano, like this. With chords of the pad like this, Nexus. I put just the equalizer like this, and the piano, I put on the piano equalizer, then covers like this, and compressor, then halftime limiter, and I use this as a compressor. After that, I made it as a wave, exported everything like this, then I did this. This is better. I can control everything right here. Alright, I put here like some 8 to 8 like this. And nothing on the mixer. Some clap with open hat like this. It's so simple, you know, and because it's simple, it's good, you know. So you're gonna make your beats simple, but just be creative on it and make it simple. After that, we added some kick right here, like this, with 8 to 8, with hi-hat, with the clap, like this. This is the result. But the kick, I put this, control the modulation of the kick. Even I can make the sounds like deep, you know, not the same. This before, this after, you know. Alright, and just this is what I did. So don't forget to click on subscribe and like and share this video anywhere. If you want work with me, I will put my accounts in description for beats, for mix and master, for any music. I can make a lot of music, a lot of types of music, not just beats. I can make classic music, I can make like Arabian music, a lot of stuff. So subscribe and check my beat store in description. I'm DEKO from DEKO 2 channel. Peace.